Alright, this was Friday, so I'm missing 2 days, but just now it's on the ground. I tried this before, it didn't work. So let's see if it works this time and how to fix this thing. If it'll even start. I'm making sure it's the battery, but it was good last time. I'm gonna get the key in here. Yeah, I know we're going to spray it probably. Maybe. And yes, we have to spray it. Turn that off. Let's see how this thing does in the snow too. Alrighty. And that's all you need. Oh, I just noticed the light fell. Maybe just tap it again. Oh, this is a hard start now. Oh, that was so close. Wow. Just a hair more. Oh, God. Wow. I don't know. It may not even start. Damn! Okay, that's an exception. Scratch I said in the last video, that's the lowest Ido was ever gonna have. This is definitely a cold start, hard start. It's not even that cold out either. Just about freezing. Wow. Wow. Alright, let's pick it up a little bit now. Scared the rest of it, bro. Let's see. grip, man. Cool, man. Tad bit of steam coming out. Wow. There's a hard start for you. You all love that. Damn. It's the last snow of March, I'm assuming. So, there you go. Now, let's see. I'm gonna try whatever with both hands. I'm not gonna use the camera, but we'll see if I successfully get it out of here. We'll see.